Hi, I'm Shreya Mandal and I'm studying my last semester B.Sc Psychology at Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. My dissertation topic is influence of reader-member relationship on job satisfaction among employed adults. And now job satisfaction is a very important thing because you're going to work in a place and earn your livelihood over there for the rest of your life. And employee relations is very important because it affects your commitment towards the organization and also your productivity. So my dissertation is all about finding the relationship between leader-member relationship and job satisfaction. And the participants of my study were 180 employed adults, out of which 80 males and 80 females, and they were all between the age of 20 to 50 years. The questionnaires which were used were Leader Member Exchange 7 short form and the job satisfaction scale, which were distributed by simple random sampling. The results of this was gotten by the SPSS using Pearson's correlation, and it says that there's a positive correlation between leader member relationship and job satisfaction, which means that the more there is leader member relationship, that's the quality of leader member relationship to be higher, for job satisfaction to be higher, and vice versa. And now this study, it was conducted by collecting data from random people, from random companies, random states all over India. So my suggestions would be that for future studies, you can collect data from a particular state or a particular company, and also you can have a larger sample size so as to get a better, accurate result. Thank you.